12th standard English. Students, now we are going to learn about degrees of comparison. First, positive. Degrees of comparison are used when we describe a person or a thing. Adjectives make the comparison. Remember, adjectives are describing words. For example, fast, slow, big, small. So these are positive degree. Positive comparison. This is used for when we only describes one person or thing. Only we can describe one person or thing. It called as positive. For example, the house is big. The boy is fast on his bicycle. Which is adjective? Fast. The boy is fast on his bicycle. That girl is smart. Adjective, smart. The radio was loud. Loud is the adjective. So this is positive degree. I'm talking about only positive. Activity. Write 4 sentences using the positive degree of comparison. Use the words on the board. Okay. Degrees of comparison. Second one, comparative. This is when we compare two people or things to each other. What is the comparative? This is when we compare two people or things to each other. Rule. Add er to the adjective. The end of the word, the adjective, er we have to add. It called as adjective. So that is comparative. Fast, positive. Faster, comparative. Slow, slower. Big, bigger. Small, smaller. Tall, taller. I am tall, he is taller. I am tall, so that positive way. He is taller, taller, ear. So that's comparative degree. For example, the house is big, but my house is bigger. The house is big, but my house is bigger than that house. We can compare. The boy is fast on his bicycle, but I am faster. I am faster. That compare. Ear. The radio was loud, but the TV was louder. Louder. That's comparative. Painful, more painful. Hopeful, more hopeful. More hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful. Expensive, more expensive. Adjectives ending in full or e, we use more. If we have this adjective full or e, just we can use more. More, it belongs to comparative degree. Exception to the rule: good, better, bad, worse, many, much, more, little, few, less, far, farther, further, old, older, older, old, older, elder. So that's exception to the rule. Good, bad. So these are positive, better, worse, more, less, further, further, older, elder. So these are comparative degree. Here activity they have given it. How to play? Divide the cards equally between the players. Each player has a pile of cards face down on the table. All players look at their top card but keep it secret. Player 1 start. How to play these cards? Player 1 chooses a category to compare speed, intelligence, strength. So these are adjectives: speed, intelligence, strength. Player 2 and 3 turn over their cards. The first person to compare the animals and fastest get to keep both cards. The winner also gets to choose the next category. Person with the most cards wins. Next, third, superlative degree. Degrees of comparison. The third type, superlative degree. Students, we have 3 types: positive, comparative, superlative. Superlative degree used when comparing more than 2 people or things. More than 2 people. Rule: add est to the adjective. The end of the adjective, est. Er, we have learned that comparative. Without er, without est, what is that? Positive. Positive, comparative, superlative. Okay. Fast, faster, fastest. Okay, they have given it separately. Fast, positive. Faster, comparative. Fastest, superlative. Slow, slower, slowest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. So this is a rule here for superlative degree. For example, he was the fastest in the bicycle race. He was the fastest. Faster, that's comparative. Here est, fastest. The adjectives, the end est, if we have it, that's superlative degree. The bicycle race. She was the smartest girl in the class. She was the smartest girl in the class. The comparing to more than 2 person. So here more than 2 means class, if you have any 20 students or 10 students, no, so more than 2 or 3, no. So that's why I'm telling to you, this is superlative degree. She was the smartest girl in the class. Next, the biggest house on the block was for sale. The biggest est. The slowest computer in the class belonged to Miss Brockway. The slowest, slowest, superlative degree. Next, for example, Superman was the strongest and fastest of all the superheroes, but Spider-Man was the most flexible. So here most, already you have learned more. More, it belongs to comparative degree. Most we can use for superlative degree, most flexible. For example, painful, more painful, most painful. Hopeful, more hopeful, most hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Flexible, more flexible, most flexible. Adjectives ending in full re we use most for it for superlative degree. Just when you are learning comparative degree, adjective full re we can use more. So just we have to alternate these degrees of comparison. Exception to the rule: good, better. Good, positive. Better for comparative. Best, superlative. Bad, positive. Worse, comparative. Worst, superlative. Many, much. So that positive. More, comparative. Most, superlative. Little, few, positive. Less, comparative. Least. So that's superlative degree. Identify the degree. The lion is a strong animal. What type of degree? Whether it is positive or comparative or superlative, we can easily say that that is positive, because without er, without est, so only one adjective, strong, so it called as positive. Okay. Rachel is the kindest of all. Kindest, kind, est, so that's superlative. We can use that superlative. The apple is sweeter than the pear. The apple is sweeter, er, so that we can use that comparative degree. It is a tall building. Tall, without est, without er, so tall, positive degree. Facilitator Anta had the most wonderful birthday cake. Most wonderful, more wonderful means it belongs to comparative. So most it belongs to superlative degree. So we can use superlative degree. Okay student, just we have recalled the degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. As well as we have to learn that the tabular column. Okay, first type positive. Okay, there is no superlative first type. Positive, comparative we have, but there is no superlative that first type. Second type, okay, just no other. Okay, and the est, than any other. Just a superlative third type, very few, than many other, one of the. Just already we have learned them. Just we have to recall that degrees of comparison. This is very, very important. Okay, thank you.